Hi everyone, Susie and Clark Neal here from the Ingles table and Unicoi Preserves with an amazing new recipe for you.
It's our peanut butter whiskey caramel sundae.
We've already been to Ingles and gathered these great ingredients, and now it's time to get started.
So we're going to start off today making a caramel sauce. Clark, I'm going to put you in charge of the caramel. How about that?
Okay, so in this pot I have some white sugar and water stirred to incorporate it enough. We're going to heat this on medium-high heat. It's going to probably take about 10 minutes. So I've started a timer. We're going to take a close eye on this. This will liquefy and go through a couple of different stages. It'll turn clear, then it'll turn a light straw color, then it gets increasingly dark shades of amber. We're going to pull it when it's about the color of a penny. It's going to be a dark amber color. But while we're waiting for that to go, I started a timer just so I don't lose track of time. Susie's going to show you how to make the peanut butter whiskey infused whipped cream that's going to go on top of this sundae. Susie?
And this is so simple, y'all. It's just 3 simple ingredients. I've got some Laura Lynn heavy whipping cream that I'm putting into the bowl of my stand mixer. Last but not least is our peanut butter whiskey going into the bowl. So that's it, just those 3 ingredients, Clark.
Okay.
I'm going to lower this. And I'm going to start it out slow, because if you've ever worked with a mixer, you know you don't turn it on full power first, do you, Clark?
No, I'll be wiping heavy cream off the ceiling.
That's right. So as it thickens, I'm going to gradually increase the speed. It's not going to take that long. Ooh, Clark, that looks good.
All right, yeah.
I think that's ready.
So we're going to take this, put it in the refrigerator to let it stay in there while we finish the caramel sauce, and we'll show you how to build the sundaes. All right, we're there. We're going to take it off the heat. I'm going to start whisking it. Susie, if you will.
I'm going to step back, y'all, because what's going to happen here, this is going to be a scientific sizzle.
This is why we use such a big pan, because it increases in volume a lot when you add in this ingredients. And it's also very important that your butter and your cream is room temperature. If you do not use room temperature butter and cream, your sugar mixture will seize and you'll have rock candy instead of caramel sauce.
So what I was doing, I added the Laura Lynn unsalted butter, and then I added a little bit of kosher salt to balance out the sweetness. Once Clark gets that fully incorporated, I'm going to add the peanut butter whiskey.
All right, Susie, I think we're good to
ready?
add that. Yeah.
Okay. Gosh, that smells so rich and heavenly.
And there you have it, our peanut butter whiskey caramel sauce. We're going to pour this up.
So we're going to let this cool. We just so happen to have some that we made a little earlier and refrigerated. So we're going to build our sundaes with the one that is already ready.
I'm going to grab our whipped cream out of the fridge and we're going to build this sundae.
So we've got some Ingles Best premium vanilla bean ice cream. I love the little flecks of vanilla. It's so pretty and so delicious. So let's make a sundae for 2. Don't be shy with the ice cream.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is really rich and creamy. He did a really good job incorporating those things without burning yourself. All right, here we go.
Don't be shy.
Is that something you'd want to eat?
Yes, but I want more caramel sauce.
Well, we have it, so I'll put it on. All right, so whipped cream is next.
So once again, this is the peanut butter whiskey infused whipped cream that we made earlier.
And these are some Laura Lynn dry roasted chopped peanuts.
And you can't have a sundae without a cherry on top. So there you have it.
That looks fantastic.
And that's it. I know you and your family are going to love this.
I want to thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table.
Make sure and enjoy the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes.
See you next time.